Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel video on these two Milwaukee M18 switch tanks. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today's just going to be a quick introduction to the channel video. Already took these out the box. The previous video is the unboxing and everything, shows some of the problems. The wand on the unit that didn't have the messed up box. Here is the box that isn't, completely damaged. So this box has got a little crushing right here, but that's it. The wand that was in this box and the unit that was in this box is this guy right here. This guy works. We did it in the demo video. We showed it in use. Shot it some distance, about 40 feet, as far as I could get it to go. With pretty close, about 10-degree pitch up. Might have been a little further than that. But the handle on this one definitely works better. It's still actually on. I turned it off real quick. So I forgot to, that one actually has, this one has water in it, and I just ended up spraying water all over the bench. But it'll be alright. It kind of splattered up, so. But this wand is fluent, feels nice. This wand is kind of stiff. This one feels, it's very easy to pull the trigger on this one. This one is kind of stiff, and it gets stuck when you put the lock on. If you pull it up here, it doesn't want to release the lock. You actually have to pull it down here. So there is something wrong with this tank, because these wands are physically built into these tanks. Or this handle's built into the tank. The metal wand is not. You could just screw it on. But haven't tested this one yet. I do know this one works. It works well. But the box that this one came in was severely damaged, which might explain, it doesn't explain the stiffness on this handle, but the weird thing is this metal wand is extremely bent on the one that didn't have damage, which is this box, and the one that this one has on it is actually only bent this far into this metal shaft at the bottom by the tip, and it's only this much of it it's tweaked up a little bit. So this wand is nicer. For some reason, the tank that had the most damage on the box, which is this box right here, because they came in these big boxes, this box has the most damage. As you can see, get the shadowing out the way for some reason. There, get the shadowing out the way the best I can. So this box is really pretty badly damaged, but for whatever reason, the wand in this one is not as bad as the wand that came in the box that wasn't damaged. So maybe the wand was damaged by the manufacturer. I have no idea, or wasn't molded right. Who knows? But I will have to test this one out, see if it works. Also, this one I just put a little 3 amp hour in here. Still got full charge, and I went through 1.5 gallons. No big deals, no issues at all. But this is a couple tools that I ordered 5 months ago. Kept going on back order for whatever reason. It was the international tool deal that, 2 switch tanks or 2 tools for $600, and they took $200 off. So I ended up getting these 2 for $407. I'm hoping, maybe International Tool can send me 2 new metal rods maybe, because there is damage, but this one seems to spray okay, and this one has the worst bent rod, so it seems to spray just fine. So I would assume that this one sprays perfectly fine, even with the rod being not as bent. But it seems a little odd. The unit that was in the worst damage box has the least bent rod, where the unit that was in the least damage box has the worst bent spray rod. So I don't know. It does work. It does look like there's leaking down here in this tray, which is interesting to me. Not sure why. Doesn't look like any water got in. No water got into the battery housing, so that's good. But just a quick video, guys. It is the 2820-20 PS for pesticide. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I want to say thank you to everybody that helped make the channel monetized. You guys are the reason the channel is monetized. I want to say thank you to all the people that like, dislike, comment, that people are to subscribe, non-subscribe, watch the ads every once in a while in the videos, and even use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that it's monetized. So I'm going to be doing lots more things on the channel, lots of head-to-head and tool testing videos. I did demonstrate, not demolish, but demonstrate one of these switch tanks in the unboxing video. I quickly unboxed them. Ended up being a 40-something minute video with the unboxing and the usage and everything. But I hope the information is helpful, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. You guys have an awesome rest of your day. Peace!